Welcome to Jan Thiel Beach, the stylish heart of Curaçao's southeastern coast. This isn't just a beach. It's a complete lifestyle destination. Take a breath and look around. You're standing on soft, white sands, surrounded by the calmest azure waters in the Caribbean. The bay is protected by a natural breakwater, making it a giant, crystal-clear swimming pool. Whether you're here for a gentle morning dip or to snorkel with the vibrant marine life just a few yards out, this water is where the island truly comes alive. For those who believe relaxation is an art form, welcome to Zest Beach Cafe. These luxurious cabanas are designed for ultimate island vibes, with your feet in the sand and a gentle breeze through the palms. This is the perfect spot to lose track of time. If you're feeling more active, Jan Thiel is the world-famous home of beach tennis Curaçao. You'll find 3 professional courts right here in the sand. It's a fast-paced social game that brings locals and travelers together for a bit of friendly competition under the sun. Ready for an even bigger adventure? The pier at Jan Thiel is the gateway to Klein Curaçao. This catamaran is about to set sail for that tiny, uninhabited paradise, 15 miles offshore, heading toward the whitest sand and clearest water you've ever seen. Whether you're here to play, swim, or simply sail away, Jan Thiel Beach captures the true douchey spirit of the island. Thank you for watching this introduction to Jan Thiel Beach in VR180. We hope to see you here soon in person.